everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to discuss another question and which is add first in linked list. In this question we have to add a node in this linked list. We have already given a linked list and we just have to add another node at the first position. This node will point this. This is the head right now, but we have to create a new head of this node which will be this node. So how are we going to do this? We will create a node, then we will store the data given by user in this node, and then we will point this node to head. So first we will try to code this and then we will see what we have to do here. So as I said, we will just create a node. I'm naming the node as temp, and then I will store the val in temp.data. Temp is the name of my new node, and I'm storing the data which is given by user, and data is val. Now temp.next is equals to self dot head, and self dot head is equals to temp. So this was what we have to do in this question, but there is one condition. What if there is only single node in the linked list, and that single node is also the node which we are creating here? That means the list is empty and we are adding a new node in the list. So if self dot size is equals to 0, we will check this condition, and if it is true, then self dot tail is equals to temp. Then the node which we are creating here is the head also and will become the tail also. Now after this we will just increase the size of our list, because in any case we are adding a new node in our list. So let's try to run the code and see. Okay, it is accepting, and yeah, correct answer. So I hope you understand the concept here. What we have done here is we have just created a node and stored data in it, and then we have just point this node to the head of the node, in which head of the list in which we have to add this node, and then we have named this node as head. And suppose we don't have any list present, then we will just simply add a node and name it as head, and it is also the tail of the node, because this node is not pointing anything. It is the single node present in the list. So I hope you understand. So thank you so much.